Hello, boys and girls. I have a new video for you today. I appreciate you guys coming back. And I have a question 17. But before we do that, we have what we have. We have a trivia question today. Okay. Um, we did we did Tom Hanks last time. Okay, we did John Travolta. And actually, we have a John Travolta trivia question. John Travolta, he is married to who? What is his wife name? John Travolta. What is his wife's name for a long time? I will answer you next video for this question. Thank you very much. We all right? Let's do it. Okay, you have come back to me. I appreciate that very much. Okay, what is the question? What is the question here? What is the area of a rectangle that have length of 4x squared plus 6 and width of 3x plus 5? Okay, what is the area of this rectangle? Okay, we have rectangle. It's 4x squared plus 6 length, and width is 3x plus 5. Okay, it's very simple. Don't be intimidated with this equation. It could be different number, different equation, different whole number, different fraction, whatever. But it doesn't matter. Don't worry about that. Don't be intimidated. Okay. So we have four options. We have option A, option B, option C, option D. Which is the right option, the right answer? Okay, well, we can't find out right away. So we have to find out what is the area of a rectangle equation is. Okay, the area of rectangle, it is length times width, right? That's the area of a rectangle. Just like the area of a square is side times side. Okay, the sides in rectangle is length and width, right? Length and width. Okay, so they're saying, we just multiply length times width. So what do you have the length here? The length here is what? 4x squared plus 6. So we put 4x squared plus 6 in lieu of L, which is length, times width. What is the width here? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. So we just multiply both of them. If we multiply 4x squared, okay, 4x squared, 4x squared, okay, times width, which is 3x plus 5, okay, we just simplify. This is times, actually, not x, okay? So we have 4x squared plus 6. Oh, I forgot the plus 6 here, plus 6, okay? Okay, it's raining and lightning here and thunder outside. We are in Georgia, Decatur, Georgia, and there's some lightning and some thunder and rain. It's really beautiful and kind of romantic outside. Okay, and it's April 19 in the evening in Georgia. Anyway, so let's go back to our question here. So it's a plus 6. So we have, this is the length. This is the length here, and this is the width, 3x plus 5. We simply just simplify, right? Okay, we have 4x squared plus 6 times 3x. Okay, so we will have, let's put the right terms together and the x terms together, the whole term together. So we have 4x squared. Copy here and paste. We have 3x here. Okay, over here. Okay, actually, let's do this here. Parentheses is very important. Times 3x plus 5. We'll do it in easier way. Okay, so 4x squared. Okay, times 3x is what? 12x cubed. 12x cubed, right? 12x cubed. 3 here. Okay. And then 4x squared times 5 is 20x squared. 20x squared plus 20x squared over here, copy, paste, and then we go to, and then we go to 6 times plus 6 times 3x is 18x, right? 18x, and then 6 times 5 is 30 plus 30. Okay, and that is your answer. Okay, now you take this one here. Then first step, you take this term here, 4x squared, you multiply it by 3x, and then you multiply it by 5. Okay, so you multiply this 4x squared times 3x first, and then you multiply 4x squared times 5. So you will have 12x cubed plus 20x squared plus this 6 here multiplied by 3x, which is 18x, plus 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay, and that's it. That's all you do. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, can you simplify it? You cannot simplify it unless there is a term there, same x's, same x's squares, or same x's cube, and same numbers. Okay, see, remember, very, very important, you cannot add x 12x cubed plus 20x squared equal 32x squared or 32x cubed. You cannot do that. Okay, be very careful because these are different numbers. Because how do you know the x cubed add to x squared? You can't. It has to be the same exponent on the top, the same. If we have x squared plus x squared, so we have 2x squared. But you cannot say x cubed plus x squared equal 2x5 or whatever. Okay? Anyway, so this is the answer of this problem. That's it. That's it. So again, what you do, you get this first term here, you multiply it by both of these terms, times 3x times 5. And then you take 6 times 3x plus 6 times 5. And then you will have this formula, and the answer is number A, this one here. Okay, and that's your answer. And I will see you next video. Thank you so much. All right, all right. You guys are having fun or what? I am.